Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In previous session we have seen different components of the chart. Now today in this session we will be talking about the three tabs specially provided for the chart. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start the video. So let me open the Microsoft Excel. So this is the example of chart, and this chart depicts the country-wise population. You can see there are four countries: India, China, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, and accordingly the populations are populated in those fields. You can see that. Now this is the chart for the particular data, right? So this is the chart population of India. You can see India, China, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. It is here, right? So this is x-axis data and the population is here at the y-axis. You can see the y-axis data also. So henceforth we will use this example only for the three tabs provided for the charts. So what are those three tabs we will see now. So first of all, in order to see the special three tabs provided for chart, you have to select the chart first. So let me click on the chart. So this is my chart. I will click anywhere randomly in this area. So I have clicked over here. Now dear students, you can see the three chart tools are design, layout and format. These three tabs are specially provided for the chart: design, layout and format, right? Now when you click outside of the chart, these three tabs will disappear. Let me demonstrate that also. So I have clicked anywhere randomly over here. Okay, now you can see my mouse cursor is over here at this place. Now observe the three tabs are not appearing in this area. Those will appear only when you click on the chart area. See now, yes, design, layout and format. Now let us see what are the ribbons or the options provided for these three tabs. First of all, design. So the ribbon or the menu or the options for chart are these. What are the groups? Let us discuss the groups quickly. Type group is the first group. Okay. Next group is data group. Third one is chart layouts, and I think this one is chart styles. Okay, right, it is chart styles. And then you can see location. It is used to move the chart from one place to another place. This group is used to move the chart from one place to another. It is used to change the chart style. Okay, and it is used to change the layouts, right? Okay, now we will see how to change the type of the chart. First of all, the steps are very easy. You have to click on the chart. So let me click on this chart. So you can see the chart is now selected. Okay, now after clicking on the chart, go to the design tab. You can see design tab. It is under the charts tool. So click on that design tab. After clicking the design tab, navigate to the type group. It is the first group. Okay, first group under the design tab, right? This is design tab and this is the type group. Now in this group you should click on change the chart type, right? You should click on change the chart type in order to change the type of the chart. Now let me do the same. So I'll click on the chart type. Observe the menu. So you can change the chart type to any chart type that you want: radar, pie, bar, area, XY, stock, surface, donut, bubble. So many chart types are there. Among these I'll select the column type only and I'll change the appearance of the chart. So which one I should select? Right, I'll select this one. Okay, the fourth option, this one. Okay, so I'll select the fourth one and I'll click on OK button, and let us see the changes. Now you can see it is appearing like a three-dimensional chart, right? It looks like a 3D chart. Okay, you can change it to again another type. Let me say cylinder, and let me click OK. So it is like a cylinder, so it is also a type of 3D chart. So let me select a 2D now, a two-dimensional. Where is it? So among these three I'll select this one. Okay, and I'll click on OK button. So fine, it is not approximately fitting, so I'll select this one only, the first one, right? This was our original chart. You can change it to another type also. Okay, I'll select it, the bar chart, and I'll click on OK button. Observe, Sri Lanka has a less population, Pakistan few more, China the largest population, and then India second. Okay, so like this you can change the chart type. Right, now we will quickly talk about how to change the layout of the chart. Now in order to change the layout, okay, in order to change the layout, click on the design tab. Okay, click on the design tab. First of all, you ensure that you have selected the chart, then only these three menus will appear: design, layout and format. Okay, design, layout and format will appear only when you click on the chart, right? So these are some layouts. The third group, type, data, and third one is chart layouts. Now in these layouts you can select any one of these three, or if not, then you can click on the more button. Okay, this arrow you have to click, and you can see the different types of layouts. Now I'll select the layout 8. It is layout 8. Now this one is layout 8. Okay, so let me select that. Because of zooming it is appearing like this. So this is the layout 8. Okay, you can't identify the data, so let me select layout 6. Layout 6. Okay, it is okay. Now here axis title and axis title of y-axis is appearing. Let me select layout 10. This is layout 10, right? So I'll click on that, layout 10. So it is like this, data is appearing at the top. It is 13,800 and then 4385. All the data is appearing over here at the top, you can see. Fine. For this also 220 and all, and here also data is appearing at the top, right? So you can change the layout to any type that you want. So in this session we have seen how to change the layout and how to change the type. So that's it for today's session. In case of any queries, difficulties or doubts, feel free to ask me. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.